Hey, what's going on, guys? Antonio here with another Crown Victoria video. So with this video, we are going to show you how to install a push bumper. Either it's a Gold Rhino or a Cetina push bumper on the Crown Victoria. So as long as you have the brackets, right, it's very easy. It's what? It's two nuts on the top here, okay, and then one on the side, okay. For both sides, so a total of 6 nuts with screw and nut, but it's very easy. The only thing that you have to make sure is that you don't want to scratch your bumper. So I'm going to show you how to do it the way I do it, and hopefully it works out for you. Okay, so this is a 2011 Ford Crown Vic, but these are all it's the same for all the Crown Vics as long as you have your brackets. Okay, so here we go. For your screws, you're gonna have 4 of these. Okay, these 4 go on the top. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and the big ones, okay, the larger ones, which are actually they're a 19 millimeter, so you could use a one of these, or you for the larger ones, or a 15 millimeter, okay, for the smaller ones. Okay, so let me show you how to actually mount it. So you're gonna grab the push bar. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand, but you gotta first make sure it mounts at on the top and it lines up here. Be careful because it can fall on you. Oh, it could fall and you can actually scratch your push bar, or you can actually scratch your paint. Okay, so hang on tight. So as you know, it doesn't weigh much. Okay, so what I do is I pick it up and I center it, make sure that the push bar, okay, is on the outside, okay, of the actual bracket, okay, out of this bracket. So same thing for the driver's side. The bracket, okay, is on the inside, and the push bar mounts outside of it. Okay, once you do that, do it gently. Put it on gently. And what I like to do is I like to put one of the screws in. Okay, you don't have to put the nut in yet, but just to at least hold it from falling. And then you grab your larger bolt, okay, and then you make sure you have the correct, make sure it's lined up with the actual hole, adjust it, and go ahead and put in your screw. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so the nut with the washer, okay, on the outside going in, okay, going in. Okay, be careful, don't rush. Okay, you're not in a rush. Do it, just be careful. You don't want to scratch your push bumper or anything else. Okay, same thing for the opposite side. Now it goes there, it goes in, okay, and then you just put on your nut, okay, and you're gonna put on these 4 you're gonna put on this nut here on the opposite side as well, and then you're gonna tighten up. You're gonna put these nuts, okay, the ones that are right there, okay, like that. And then you're gonna put 2 screws, okay, on the left side, 2 screws on the right side, right, and then your push bumper will. So once you tighten it up, then obviously your push bumper will be fully secured. So it's very easy, guys. And then taking it off, same process. Very easy to do. So if you enjoy this video, please consider hitting the like button and you know, and I would appreciate if you also consider subscribing for more police interceptor videos. Thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day.